Hello and welcome back to the channel where we are building a video game from scratch using Love2d and Lua. So yesterday we got these crate destruction added, so if we spellcast over the crate it'll break it down and we put in a coin that we can collect. So today is going to be adding the coin to our inventory here, so that we can count how many coins we've got, as well as add a little sound effect for picking up the coin. So there is a tool called VFXR made by Stephen Lavelle, who's maybe my, in my top 2 idols of programming. Made this program to create different sounds and stuff. So I like this pickup sound. Maybe we want to tweak it a little bit, take down the frequency. I think I like that. Let's just export it. So we should have, oh no. We should have a folder here for our Tashio repo. I'm not even sure where it is. It's in our Windows subsystem for Linux, which is in Linux. Crap. Okay, well I might just save it on the desktop and copy it over. So let's name it coin pickup. And then we'll just copy it over into our repo. Well, it's not even a file, not even an audio file. Okay. You know what? I'm wanting to tweak the pitch a bit. Jeez. Okay. Export. Okay. So we've got this coin pickup and we will put it in our repo, in our sounds. Coin pickup. And then, in order to get it in our game, we have to import it. And where do we have a new sound? Sound right here. Okay, it's in a table. So we will have coin pickup. Pickup.wave, and it is a static sound. Cool. So now we can play our sound via the coin pickup in our global sounds. So what we can do is we need to go to where we're deinstantiating the coin. So like, what do we call it? Coin collision. So if we collide with the coin, we remove it, but also we need a play from our sounds table at the index of coin pickup. we need to play that sound. So let's see if we play the sound. Nice. Cool. I feel like we could turn down the sound a bit, right? It's a little too loud. Versus, I'm not sure if we don't really have much other sounds on, but it is much too loud. So let's just turn it down a bit. Okay, I'm kind of curious if we do a new random one. Whoa. Oh, I kind of like that one. Yeah, let's do that one. Okay, export wave. Coin pickup dot wave. And we'll make sure to replace the one we just placed in there. Okay, let's try that. Nice. Okay. Yeah, so we will have... I don't know if we have coins on our menu or just in our inventory. Probably just in our inventory, right? So we need, in our player class... I guess it could be linked to the player. We have a coin count. Okay. And then we need to... Once we play the pickup sound... we need to increment our coin count. So we can say, go into our player, coin count field, and increment it by 1. Okay, and then we need to insert the coin into our HUD. So what we'll do for that is dig into our picture. Where is it? Graphics. It's called what? Menu. This. Pause Mockup is what it's called. Okay. Let's open this. We want a sprite. Pause Mockup. And you know what we'll do? We'll open the asprite file. Okay. So we're going to put the coin right in here. Now we do have the coin reference, right? Right here. Okay. Okay, yep. Let's do this. Okay, so that's where our coins will be. And then we'll have the heart container up here. We can probably fit one other thing up here, but I don't know what that would be at the moment. Okay, yeah. This will be our little heart container. Okay, and then we'll kind of make it look like it's empty. Like it's got 4 slots or whatever, right? So something like that. I do think. Oh, that's looking okay. I just don't like. I don't like this, where this doesn't come down to a perfect point. Yeah. It's close. I think I want it to down to a perfect point because it doesn't look symmetrical otherwise. Oh, that's looking better. Yeah. It does look, it's a little lopsided. That's looking better. Okay, I like that. I mean, there's still, you know, there's something a big missing spot here because we'll have coins down here. I don't know what else we can put over here, but we won't worry about that. We'll just have this. This looks way better than the old mockup. So let us export this as a PNG in our graphics folder. We'll overwrite it. Now we should have that in the game now. No? See, look how bad the old mockup was. Did we save it as a .png or did it just save as an A-sprite thing? Yeah, it didn't save as a PNG, so let's save as. Always forget if it's export as or save as. Export as and pause mockup PNG, yes. Yes. Okay, that should be it. Yes. Oh, beautiful. Oh, that looks so much better. Okay, so now we need our coin count to be in the HUD. So our HUD is a pause state. So we need to render the coin count here. So if we do a love.graphics, let's just, for right now, print 1, 2, 3. We'll get the location that we need to print it at, then we'll print the actual value that we need. So there's the 1, 2, 3. So we need what? Virtual X would be virtual width minus a certain amount of pixels. The Y would be the virtual height minus a certain amount of pixels. And we'll try to get it placed. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah. So a lot higher and lefter. So do this. Okay, close. Down and to the right. Now there is a... I used to have where I'd print up the X and Y location of the mouse so that we can just place our mouse where we want to put it, get the X and Y values, and just plop them in there. But I don't have that on right now, so... a little right, a little down. Very close. A little left, a little up. Okay. Then maybe a bit bigger on the pixel count, just because, yeah, we can use like a size up on the font maybe. if it looks okay. Let's see where our fonts are. We've got this pixel font, so we have an 8 and a 16. Let's see what pixel font 2 looks like for it. That looks so weird. I think it's okay. Maybe it's the color that's throwing me off. Okay. I'm kind of thinking, hey Loki, what's up? I'm kind of thinking I would like it, and I don't know how this would work. How would we give it a 3-digit number? So if there's 1, it would be 001. Just like the classics, you know, like to go up to 93 or whatever, or to 999. Just trying to get the positioning right, and might be a little, like 2 pixels, a pixel to the right and a pixel down. Okay, I like that. Now we just want a 3-digit number. So is there a Lua print 3-digit number? Like a way to specify, like a format of string format. Oh, not string. Be like a number format. Let's see. I don't know how to do this in Lua. Print number as digits. So, okay, so it looks like we can do this kind of string format. According to ChatGPT, we can do this string.format. So here we would want to say, let's do, and what's confusing to me is that we're doing it's saying string format. I guess you have to print it as a string, so it takes in a number, and we're saying give us and then this is like a format specifier code, 3 digits worth, 3 characters worth of digits from the global players dot coinCount, and that's the value we're going to put in there. So let's see, we should have 000. Nice. Okay, and then if we gather a coin, we have 1 coin. Heck yeah. Okay. I'm kind of thinking maybe we want this on screen, like under our hearts here. Well, no, we'll have 2 rows of hearts, so we don't have any other room on the HUD here. So we at least have it where and there's only 1 crate. We don't reset the crate, so we can't give us multiple coins. So we have 0 coins. We gather it. We've got a coin. Cool. Okay, so let's maybe just give us a bunch of crates and just test to make sure that the coin count is going up. It's looking like it's working though. So the thing is, you need to give yourself, well, let's just change all of these into crates. Well, let's look. Let's just put a bunch of crates. So 1 to the left. Okay, so we just put in a couple extra crates, but we need to insert insert a coin into the crate, which we are doing where? That's for a treasure chest, but where do we put it in the crate? Oh, I think for right now, anytime a crate's destroyed, we do it. Let's see if that's the case. So there's 3 crates here. We can cast our spell. Oh, well, that's jacked up. Yeah, where do we instantiate the coin? It's just upon a breaking crate, we insert it. Oh, see, look, this is where it's messed up. Okay, yeah. We don't want to put it just at coins 1. We want to put it at whatever index the... how do we do it? We need to... Okay, so instead of 1 here, what we can do is we can insert the length of the coin table, meaning the index of the last coin that just got inserted. It's gonna look nasty as hell, but it's gonna... and actually maybe the move is we grab a local index, and the local index is gonna be... Once, this has to be after we insert the coin, and we're gonna say go into our current map. Oh god, yeah, go into our .coins table. So look, we insert the coin into our coins table, then we're gonna have a variable index that takes in the length operator, so number length of our .coins. So if there's 1 coin in there, it'd be 1. If there's 2, it'd be 2, so that we can go ahead and change the coin's X of the coin we just made. So the one we just inserted, not always 1. I think that'll fix our issue here. We should have 3 coins all in the respective places. No. Pushable 119, that's where we're at. Okay, if we break crate, okay, it doesn't like this. .coins. Oh, current map .column. I'm thinking this will work. Yes. 1, 2, 3 coins. 0 coins. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Cool. And the crates disappear and they're gone. And we have the coins. Sweet. I like it. And it looks like it's working with the formatting right. So I guess we can test and see if it scales up with more coins. So if we go into our coin collision, let's say we get, I don't know, 333 coins per coin. Nice. Okay, so what happens if we get more than 999 coins? It'll probably, let's think what it would do. So it would be 1,002, right? And it'd be printing to 3 digits. So it would just say 100 maybe, because it'd be truncating the last digit. I don't know. It just goes. So I guess the 3-digit, yeah, I guess we would have to do some sort of, we can do some sort of if coinCount greater than 99, then coinCount is 99. We don't want more than 999, but that's gonna, you know, that no one's gonna really get there. 164 map, 164. Coin count. If coin count, yeah, why would you not? Attempt to compare number with nil on 164. Number with nil. It's not nil, man. It's not nil. So we just added to it. Oh, count. God damn it. Coin count. Yeah, okay. So this should limit it to 999 once we pick them all up. Nice. Okay, so now we're locked at 999. 3 digits worth of coins. We got the sound effects. We got the collision. We can do as many crates as we want. The one thing I don't quite like is that in our pushable class, we're inserting a coin for every crate, which we want to be able to specify what's in the crate, right? Maybe it's a berry, maybe it's a coin, maybe it's a bag of magic powder. I don't know. But yeah, we can do other items in here. And then the other items might be the things up here. So maybe there's another sort of inventory of like, maybe I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what could be here, but like other items in our inventory that aren't equipable, because money is not equipable, right? Heart containers are not equipable. So maybe there's another thing like I don't know. I had this idea for what's called vibrancy, or what I'm calling like vibrancy, where it's like you get the element, right? So like if we have this blue element in our hand here, the blue element lets you cast the blue fire. But over time, as you cast fire, your element will lose vibrancy. So its saturation will go to black and white, grayscale. So like your vibrancy kind of fades out. And once there's no more vibrancy in your element, you can't cast the spell with it anymore, and you have to recharge its vibrancy by like meditating or something. So maybe something with the vibrancy count. Maybe there's like a shimmer vibrancy counter here that kind of tells you what level of vibrancy your equipped item has. That's like one idea. Or I don't know, I'll have to think about it. But we got the coins working. The loot is still screwed up. I'll have to dig in the past commits and see what we changed that broke that. But I think I'll call it a day with that. So we added coin sound effects and player coin count. So that's pretty cool. We've got coins in our game now. Yep. So we added the sound, we added the new mockup, and we saved the sprite file for the mockup. Sweet. Cool. So tomorrow, let's check the list here. We're working our way through the list. It's looking good. On the road to the demo, I think bats are up next. Coin class for stashing in crate, we just finished that. So we can take this out. Now, the next 2 priority items we have are bats and 8 scenes in the dungeon. So in the dungeon, yeah, we need to make a new entity. So we'll be making new pixel art for the bat villain. We'll have to give it AI so it can track us. We'll have to add collision detection so we can kill it with spellcasting. And we'll have to add 8 scenes developed in our dungeon. And the dungeon will have, pits that you can fall into or get knocked into by the bats. And it'll have little boulders and stuff you have to push out of the way and kind of maneuver to work your way through, like little Sokoban style puzzles to unlock the pathway. I don't think we're going to be adding the darkness. Yeah, because in the game, if you walk straight left, there's like a sign with the downstairs that says like you can't enter without light, and that's for when you unlock the yellow tunic. It'll kind of glow in a radius around you to light up the dark cave. We won't have that for the demo. I think we'll just do this typical dungeon with 8-ish scenes. It might be 4, it might be 8, I don't know. But then these two are the biggest hurdles before the demo because it's a whole new enemy and AI, and then basically our first level design, right? 8 scenes worth of dungeon level design. So those are the big ones. And then once that's done, we have tiny stuff like touch up a couple of screens. We did just touch up inventory art, so that's looking good. We'll probably do finalized tunic art and element art. That's not so hard. Magic tutorial is just dialogue. Expositional dialogue is just dialogue. Title screen art and music. I've got the music made for it, for the title screen. So we'll just have to make some title screen art. That's not too bad. Opening cinematic. Depends how crazy we want to get with that. I'm thinking of just like Link's Awakening, right? Where it's like 2 scenes. It's like the thundery ship in Link's Awakening and then him bracing himself. And there's like basically those 2 cinematics. So like I'll think of something visually that we can get done. That kind of ties in thematically with the game. So we have a little opening cinematic. And then we already have this done. So this can move to done. Yeah, so it's really not bad. Like the next 2 steps are the hardest, right? Bats and the dungeon level design. We already have like 6-ish screens for exploration. This is just a guideline, we'd probably only want like 8 or 10 or something. And then maybe another NPC or 2 with like some teasing dialogue about like a side quest or something. But yeah, all this stuff is fairly easy. I don't know if we're going to be doing the tall grass. Yeah, this is just a nice to have. So maybe, can we scoot this over? Yeah. Nice to have. Cool. So yeah, we've got the treasure chest. That's a big one. We can put the green tunic in there. We've got pushing and pushables, destructibles, coins. We can maybe add a shop for the tutorial. Maybe that's a good idea to have a basic shop. Because we have where you can walk in and talk to the guy. So all we have to do is basically put things on the counter and say like, hey, that'll cost you 5 coin if you want it. And then we've already got the show off animation so that we can kind of show off whatever he picked up and then put it in his inventory because we've already got the inventory system. So it's coming together. Yeah. Bats are going to be the toughest, and that's next. So that'll be tomorrow. We'll get started on that. As much as I don't want to because I know it's tough, but so far, this method of tackling the toughest stuff first has worked out really well because we've got a lot of cool new features. We've got pushing. We've got these new crates. We've got the pushing animation. We've got crate destruction. We've got coins and coin pickup. That's a lot of functionality we just added in the past couple episodes. And then, dialogue for the beginning of the game will be easy. We've already got the dialogue system. So, yeah, we're in the I won't say we're in the home stretch just yet. Once we finish the dungeon design and the bats, then we'll be in the home stretch for the demo. So it's looking good. Let's make sure I committed, and then we will run credits and raid out here. Yep, added coin sound effects. Cool. So let's run our credits and then find someone to raid. Thank you for all the credited supporters for the game. We will, let's see here. Yeah, we'll raid out to our boy Hypnotic. And call it a night. I need some rest today, so I streamed a little earlier so that I can go order some tacos and just have a relaxing evening. So let's do this. We'll raid out. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll be back tomorrow. We'll do some bat entities for the dungeon. It should be fun.